Hello everyone, I am Chris from DTCU and today I would like to talk about the necessity of blockchain implementation in healthcare. Paper-based medical records like these suffer from various problems like storage of space. Often huge amount of space is required to store these medical records, which can be either on-site or off-site. Accuracy and accessibility is also very low for these medical records. The paper-based medical records is often perishable and not very secure. Often, clinical diagnosis based on these medical records is partially correct because the doctors don't have access to the patient's medical history because these records are stored in different silos present in various medical centers or hospitals. Blockchain can solve all these problems by leveraging a healthcare card and an app. Let's see how medical records can be uploaded onto blockchain from paper-based formats.
Blockchain implementation in healthcare is divided into three parts. Part 1 consists of how medical records can be input in various formats onto blockchain. Part 2 consists of usage of healthcare cards and apps for obtaining healthcare services. And Part 3 will deal with the live demo of sending medical records on blockchain from doctors to patient. Paper-based medical records can be scanned by a scanner or OCR reader to be converted to PDF, JPEG, JPG, PNG, etc. formats before being uploaded onto blockchain. Digital health records present in hospitals or medical centers can also be directly uploaded onto blockchain. Now, healthcare cards and apps present in both Android and iOS can increase the interaction between doctors and patients. Doctors can add patients by scanning the QR code of patient health ID cards or even directly adding them onto their apps. So, let me just show you how this app looks like. This is the PHROS app. After you log in, you can see that there are various information like my profile, medical records, trusted list, etc. My profile consists of the person's name, date of birth, sex, blood type, etc. This is totally customizable. In the medical records, you can see a variety of records aggregated from various hospitals or medical centers. Now you can add somebody in your trusted list like a doctor or IoT devices or insurance companies, etc. to be able to receive or send medical data. Let me show how the medical data can be sent to the patient. So this is the backend of the doctor's side. As you can see from here that the last medical records is number 11, and now we will show you how it's added. So when the doctor chooses to send a medical record to the patient, he or she can add someone by using their card or by their app. So after it is done, they can curate the various information of the medical records like name, age, sex, bed number, doctor's name, etc. And they can choose the file which is a JPEG, PDF, etc. formats. So here, let me choose this PDF format file attached with the curated information and then send. Once this data is sent, we will receive a confirmation As you can see that the confirmation is sent, and this date is directly updated. So let me show you. As you saw that 11 was the last number, and then the new data is now updated. So this is how one can easily send a medical records on blockchain. So these are the steps that's required for sending medical records on blockchain. Both patients and doctors will have a blockchain-based PHROS ID. Doctors can then add patient via their health card by scanning their QR code or by adding them via mobile application. So this is where the doctors or patients can add somebody from their trusted list. Now, doctors can send medical records to patient via IPFS upload. Patients receive the medical records. So here is how, after the patients receive the medical records, they can use these records for claiming insurances or for some noble causes like contribution of data to some foundation or for research purposes. So now let me quickly take you through an actual DApp built on the PHROS blockchain. So this is the DApp. As soon as the patient logs in to his or her account, they can see their medical history at one place in a unified manner. In this case, the medical history starts in 2013. Now, when they click on their CT scan images, they can see the individual images as well as they can see the video of those images in time-lapse format. Similarly, they can also see their MRI images individually or in a time-lapse manner, as you can see here. The patient can also check their individual treatment. For example, here the patient has been tested against pneumonia antigen. When they click on their extra data, they can see the extra images as well, dating from as far as these images or this information has been updated. The patients can then use this medical history to claim insurances or share this medical history with another doctor.
DTCO is the blockchain technology provider based out of Taiwan. We have already integrated blockchain platform at Taipei Medical University Hospital, a JCI accredited hospital in Taipei, Taiwan, who has been successfully running this healthcare blockchain platform in their hospital over the last year. InnovMedCare are our mutual partners in India for blockchain implementation in the healthcare field. Medcare Pass is the interoperable healthcare ID and will be used for authentication pass for every individual on this innovative blockchain platform. Please visit our website phros.io or contact me for any further information.